Welcome to Sam and Jack Hack. I'm Sam.
And I'm Jack. We are with RAM Software and Development, and this is where we put real tools through real workflows.
All right, back to it. Today we're walking you through a tool that has become part of my daily driver. Project Viewer by RAM Software and Development. I am genuinely fired up about this one.
And before we start, I owe this tool an apology because I doubted it could replace my spreadsheet. I was wrong. Happily wrong.
Here's the dashboard. One page, every project you own, laid out clean.
At the top, you got your action bar. New project. Add to folder. Open in Codex. Open in Claude. A live timer. And time report.
Anything you'd normally bounce through three menus for is one click from the top of the screen.
Right under the header, the stats bar. Total projects, Git repos, projects with uncommitted changes, non-Git folders. Health check at a glance.
And the project cards. Name, full folder path, Git branch, changed file count, a priority badge, a reading preview, and the last modified date. Everything you need right on the card.
See that priority badge? One click cycles it. High, medium, low, or none. The board resorts automatically.
Which means your most important project floats to the top, instead of being buried under a folder named test_proj_v2_final_final.
The feature I use every single day, this timer. Pick any project from the drop-down, hit start, and it tracks your session live.
Stop it, and the session is saved to disk. Reboot your machine, open the dashboard, your hours are still there.
Then hit time report.
And there it is. Every project, every session, total time, date last worked. Your entire billable history on one screen.
2 export buttons. Export CSV for your accounting. Export PDF for a date-stamped time report you can staple to an invoice.
If you bill hours, this is the feature that pays for the download.
Your time report is more honest than your invoice, Sam.
Now, file management. Click New Project. A modal opens, you name your folder.
Pick your destination. Hit Create Folder. The folder is made on disk, and the new card pops on the board.
No terminal. No make directory command. No hunting through File Explorer.
There's also Add to Folder. Pick a main project, pick a second project, and it tucks the second inside the first.
So if you started 3 attempts at the same thing, you can consolidate them right from the browser.
Now this one is my favorite. Open in Codex. Open in Claude. 2 buttons in the header.
You pick a project, pick a launch mode, and the dashboard spawns a terminal straight into that project directory with your agent already running.
No change directory. No launching the tool. No remembering flags.
And if you're feeling spicy, there is YOLO mode. Codex gets approval policy never. Claude gets dangerously skip permissions. It does exactly what the name implies.
And I love YOLO mode. I live in YOLO mode. All gas, no brakes. Let the agent cook. This one button is the whole reason I come back to the dashboard.
Normal mode for careful work. YOLO, when Jack is driving.
When a project is actually done, there's Finish Project. This one is deliberate.
You have to type confirm to proceed. All caps, they want you committed.
Then it archives the project into a Finished Projects folder, writes a user manual automatically, and gets out of your way.
So your finished work leaves with documentation, not a mystery zip on a drive you'll forget.
A couple other nice touches. It reads each project's README and shows the first chunk right on the card.
So it'll know if you never finished yours, Jack.
It shows Git branch and uncommitted file counts, warns you loudly if the launch server is offline, and keeps your data on your own machine.
Your data, your device, your books.
For a solo developer, a consultant, or a small team running parallel projects, this is a strong recommend. It turns a messy folder tree into a command center.
And it bills your time for you. If it also made coffee, we'd be out of a job.
If you got value out of this walkthrough, like the video, drop a comment with the tool you want us to hit next, and follow the channel.
And hit subscribe so you don't miss what RAM Software and Development ships next.
That's this episode of Sam and Jack Hack. I'm Jack.
I'm Sam. Go make your folders respect themselves.